should wash when we get back. What's wrong with my voice?
Are you breaking down?
Are you okay? It's because the road is bumpy.
Lots of roads here are like this.
This is fun.
What sound is this?
We might sound better if we sing here.